the attack on the Kabul airport basically makes it very obvious that the U.S. counter-terror, anti-terror operations in Afghanistan have not been a huge success.
I believe that it was the U.S. who is to be blamed for that.
The United States needs to understand that it had a responsibility. If it was an occupying power in the year 2001 in Afghanistan, then it had a responsibility to provide a political transition, political stability, peace to Afghanistan. It still has a responsibility as a former occupying power for 20 years.
I would urge American nation that they should ask the American leadership, present and the past, that what was your actual agenda. This means the root cause of war against terror actually was to expand their hegemonic, expand their imperialistic agenda to the rest of the world by using the force, by saying that whatever we say is correct and whatever the rest of the world say is incorrect. And today, I think they have been left high and dry.